Hey guys, welcome back to Dave's Network. Today we're doing up a simple and easy baking recipe that's just gonna knock your socks off. Yes, some easy peasy cherry turnovers. You're gonna love them, so let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is pick yourself up some puff pastry. And I don't know about you, but I just love puff pastry, especially once it's baked. So we're just gonna go ahead and roll this out. Next up, I'm going to cut this into 4 equal rectangles, and I'm using a pizza cutter. They're just handy dandy, but you can use a knife, anything got on hand. After that, I'm going to dip my brush into an egg wash, and this is just egg mixed with milk or water, and go around the edges, and what this will do is seal our puff pastry up. Sealing we will go, and I have to admit, this puff pastry is so handy. And really economical. It's just about $3 or $4, something like that. Now we're going to scoop up about a tablespoon of cherry pie filling. And simply place it into the center of the puff pastry. Next up, I'm going to take a good pitch of pistachios, just because I'm a pistachio type of guy, and place them over the cherries. Now you can use almonds, walnuts, whatever you like, or just simply leave them out. Then I'm going to grab up one edge of the puff pastry and fold it over and make it into a triangle like. Work away and get the edges all kind of even like. Then press down and seal everything shut. And of course you want to brush the entire surface of the rollover with that wonderful, wonderful egg wash. Just so when you're baking it gets beautiful and shiny, but shh, don't tell anybody. Next up, what you want to do is take a knife, a fairly sharp one, and make 3 slits down the center, and that's going to release any air when it's baking. Let that cherry pie filling ooze out and make it look real pretty like. Then transfer our cherry turnovers onto a baking sheet lined with some parchment paper. Now what you're going to do is transfer these into a 375 degree Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius preheated oven for about 20 minutes until they're beautifully gold and puffy. After 20 minutes, just look at this, guys. They're puffy, they're golden, that cherry filling is just oozing out. Oh my goodness, they just look absolutely spectacular. Now for the final touches, I'm going to sprinkle some confectioner's sugar over the top. Now you can use just about anything. You can make a glaze, but I just like the confectioner's sugar. It's simple and it's easy and yummy. And there you have it, my friends, our simple, easy, and ever so delicious cherry turnovers. I mean, let's face it, it simply doesn't get any better, and your family and friends and dinner guests are just going to rant and rave and say, "How did you make these? You must have slaved for hours." They won't know, they're only half an hour. And I just cannot end this video, my friends, without showing you some of that ooey gooey goodness once we cut that open. These are just spectacular, and I've even had a sneak taste, and wow. You got to make these 20-30 minutes, and you got your wonderfully wonderful perfect dessert. For the full recipe, head on over to our main site at cookandshare.com. All kinds of wonderful, cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day, and see you next time.